Hey guys, how's it going? Miss Curious here, back in another video, and today in this video we will be doing about how this certain nerf gun is in the Illuminati. That was a bit strange. Yeah, well it worked, so, you know. You saw all that. Damn it. Anyway, without further ado, let's get straight on it. Now, first of all, here's the blaster. It couldn't, but have you noticed anything different? Anything strange? Anything strange about the stock? Because I have. That's right. It has 5 spots here. But, right, 7 spots there. Right, sorry. 7 spots. 4, take away 7. There are 4 main things on the Illuminati. 4, take away 3. 4 main things on the Illuminati. You ready? The 3 corners and the eye. But 3 had 1 because there's 1 eye and there's 3 corners on the Illuminati. So, and look, there's another strange thing. That's right. The triangle here. Why would they put a triangle on their stock? Why couldn't they have it going down like that and then have one bit going up like that? Why? Why did they have to make a triangle on the stock? Why? Oh, by the way, I'm not doing this because I hate Nerf. I do love Nerf guns. I've always liked them. Nerf are really good. So, if you want to have fun with toy guns, but you're not old enough to have BB guns or anything like that, I don't either because I'm not old enough. That blue M1911 I have is just a broken one. It doesn't work, and neither does any other I'll probably ever have because I'll never have one. But it doesn't matter now. And have you noticed this? Listen. One, two, 3. 3 corners on the Illuminati, and also 3 sides. But 3 out of 3 makes 6. And what is the 6 of? Let me tell you that. Well, there is 6 bits here on the rail here. 6. But for this as well, one position. It can go into 2 positions. There was 1 eye on the Illuminati, but when you have it up in 1 position, the other position is gone. And there was 1 eye on the Illuminati, so the stock is Illuminati confirmed. The muzzle is Illuminati confirmed. Now the main blaster. Listen. Listen. There was 3 sounds in that, 3 angles on the Illuminati. So, wait, what's this? Do you see it? Look, 1 there, 1 there. Now, Hasbro, that's good because you made it ambidextrous. By the way, that means where you can use both hands to do it. Oh, it looks weird on camera. Oh, really weird. If you've got a YouTube channel, or you're doing something, or you just go on camera and film yourself doing that, and it looks really weird. Oh, feels it too because you can't feel your hands moving on that. You don't know. Sorry about that. So, there are 3 guys. Do you see it? Not down there, but that can be useful actually if I've got a bullet jammed. Not a bullet, a nerf dart. Look. What is that? I would sit here counting how many lines it's got on it, but I'm not going to. Oh my god. Look, it's a triangle. And you know what else is a triangle? That's right. This bit here. And you know what else is a triangle? Which makes it more amazing than anything else? Yeah, you guessed it. There's only one last thing that can be a triangle. And that, my friends, is, without a doubt, drumroll please, the Lego Colibri I was saying that I'd make. So, this is that Lego Colibri I said I was going to make. 2 iron sights. I might take one off for my pistol, but I'll give you a red dot sight or a laser sight, something else like that in return. But, as well, if you get this, you have chance to win an extra red dot sight that I have made, plus a hand signed. You ready? You ready? You ready? Gonna be good. This thing, whatever it is, Sunday. Now, if you like Ponic. I was going to say Sonic then, which isn't even. That was Sonic and Pokemon. If you like Ponic, that was a good one. I like that. Yeah. If you like Pokemon, you have a chance to win this. Now, I know it's not a very good card. Personally, I don't really like Pokemon. I'm sorry for all you Pokemon likers, but tell you what, I've got to tell you something. I collect Pokemon cards because everyone else I know collects them. But I've also got an EX card. So if you want my EX, then you've got to subscribe to the channel. You have to do that. Otherwise, you're not getting my EX. Actually, not the EX, sorry. I'll give you instead a signed card. Or just the card itself. Because I can't really find my EX. I'll give you any other card now. As well, I know this isn't a very good Lego gun. I'm not going to lie. I could have spent a bit more time on it. But I think it's because I've got these are the only parts left I had to use. So, yeah. I mean, it's got a trigger. It's got a magazine. A very small magazine. You take out. But you could extend that magazine, and let me show you how. Right, you ready? This. You just place it on like that now, and I know it doesn't look as nice, but more rounds. But as well, so there's 3 choices you can have. It is the suppressor, the extended mag, or a red dot sight. I've only got one of each, so if it's gone, it's gone. I'll tell you what, actually no. I'll give you all of the attachments for it. And I'll do the laser light. But anyway, I think that wraps up this video today. Oh, as well, speaking of wrapping up, I just want to say it's nearly my birthday soon. When this video was first filmed, it was 2017, 19th of November, I think. Hang on, let me just ask Siri.